Welcome to our channel, Cooking with the Darlings. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please click on the option to receive our weekly recipes. Your support means a lot to us. In this video, we'll teach you step by step how to make the Northern Irish recipe 15s. No baking is required, and this recipe only uses 5 ingredients. The first step is to place the 15 digestive biscuits into a medium-sized bag and seal it. Use the rolling pin to crush the biscuits into crumbs or the back of a wooden spoon, like I have. A few small chunks are fine and will add texture. The next step is to chop the marshmallows. Use clean scissors, lightly oiled to prevent sticking. Cut each of the 15 large marshmallows into 4 small pieces. If using mini marshmallows, simply measure them out. After transferring the crushed biscuits into a large mixing bowl, add the marshmallows and the chopped cherries to the mixture. Pour in about 185 ml of the sweetened condensed milk. If it seems too dry, add more condensed milk, a splash at a time, until you reach the right consistency. Use a spoon or spatula to mix the ingredients until everything is well combined and coated. The mixture should be sticky but hold its shape when pressed like a moist dough. Sprinkle some dry coconut down the centre of a long dish. Use your hands to shape the mixture into a neat log or sausage shaped, approximately 30 centimeters, 12 inches long. Roll it onto the coconut and coat it well. Sprinkle the remaining coconut over the top and sides of the log, pressing gently to make sure it's fully coated. Use the plastic wrap to roll the log up tightly, twisting the ends to seal it securely. Place the wrap log in the fridge to chill and set for at least 3 to 4 hours or ideally overnight. This step is crucial for easy slicing. Once firm, remove the log from the fridge and unwrap it. Use a sharp knife to slice the log into 15 even pieces. Enjoy!